Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 30th day of June. Man, summer's flying along. The 4th of July weekend is coming up, and things are looking pretty dry around here. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots early this morning. Nice look at the tip-top of the Fayette County Courthouse. On a clear, pleasant morning, we've got readings in the 60s, and actually some locations are in the upper 50s. Our Skywatcher up at Black Creek, northeast of Gadsden, checked in with 56 degrees this morning. Wow, that's a sign the air is dry. That's the Tuscaloosa Skycam from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Looking down over the Golden Arches Country Club. They are off Lurleen B. Wallace Boulevard. And a nice sky. Boy, that's not a summer sky there. That looks more like a fall sky. That's coming from Jasper up in Walker County. And again, it's very refreshing if you get out there early this morning with the lower dew points and the cooler air we feel early in the day. But don't worry, it heats up as the day progresses. Heat ridge is expanding from Texas. You can see that thing flaring to the north and east, and that means afternoons will be pretty hot, but at least the humidity will be low. Trough over the southwest, and Arlene is down there approaching the coast of Mexico. In fact, it's on the coast of Mexico this morning. There's a look at highs yesterday. Look at that heat surging up into Wyoming and parts of the Dakotas. More nasty triple digits for the deserts, and around here it was awfully nice. Many spots failed to reach 90 yesterday. But again, don't worry, the 90s are coming back with a vengeance. Ooh, it's a quiet summer morning. Watch warning map, just not much happening. In a couple of counties down there in the southern tip of Texas under flood advisories or warnings due to the moisture from Arlene. There's the day one convective outlook. Got a slight risk of severe weather over the high plains. And tomorrow, way up north, where you expect them to be this time of the year. QPF chart, if you're looking for rain, don't look very hard. Showers and storms will likely be very, very isolated here for the next 5 days. And this is valid through the 4th of July, through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, as a pretty dry pattern sets up for a few days. Tropical weather, and yes, Arlene is the story, of course, but notice how the rest of the Atlantic basin remains pretty quiet. A few little pockets of convection near the intertropical convergence zone, but overall things are quiet, except for this. It's Arlene. That's a good-looking tropical storm. That thing is well organized coming into Mexico this morning, and the winds have really ramped up to 65 miles per hour. Now, this thing, could have become a hurricane if it just ran out of time as it's moving inland. So a pretty impressive early season system there. Going to produce a lot of rain for northern Mexico. And, the Rio Grande Valley of Texas could see some pretty decent rain from this. Harlingen and Brownsville, McAllen, places like that. All right, this is the GFS, the OZ run. Valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. Strong shortwave over the Rockies, big ridge over the nation's heartland, cool trough over the northeast. And down below that, the dry air has totally taken over. We'll be in the low 90s today. The guidance has been way too warm lately, and I think it's too hot for the weekend. It's trying to bring us up to, upper 90s. I think mid-90s is where we're going to be at the top because of the good soil moisture we've had. But anyway, sunny today, low humidity, low 90s. Tomorrow, mid-90s, a good supply of sunshine. And for your 4th of July weekend plans, how about a lot of sun, summer sunshine? Sunny weather on Saturday, mid-90s. Gulf Coast looks good if you're going down there. Same thing on Sunday. And I say the Gulf Coast, there might be a few little pop-up storms down there, but nothing widespread. Will be sunny. And Monday, 4th of July, got a big vortex setting up over eastern Canada, where it's nice and cool up there. The 588 heat ridge kind of still extends in here, and that looks relatively dry. We'll mention, widely scattered storms on Monday, but at this point, I don't think it will be a big issue. For some reason, the GFS MOS really ramps the probabilities of rain up, but I don't see why. And then Tuesday, clearly the ridge begins to weaken, and we should begin to see an increase in scattered showers and storms. There's Wednesday, pretty much the same deal. And a week from today, there's a weakness in the ridge there. As you can see, over the southeast, and that should bring scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms toward the middle or end of next week. All right, end of the forecast period, July 15th. The 588 heat is really a little to the west, somewhat of a weakness in here, and again, that would suggest very routine mid-July weather. Hot, sticky, with a few spots maybe picking up a shower or storm. That is it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today, and if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Being Alabama's news leader means digging deeper to get you the facts, working harder so you have all sides of the story, and not being afraid to tell the truth. Every day you award us by making ABC 3340 Alabama's most watched news. And now the Associated Press has named us Alabama's most outstanding news operation. That's 9 times since 1996, more than all other stations combined. And that's 9 more reasons you should trust the news leader. ABC 3340.